Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to a game-changing sensor kit that's been creating a lot of buzz in the maker community. This kit is packed with unique features that set it apart from other sensor kits on the market, and I can't wait to dive in and explore what makes it so special. Now, if you've worked on sensor projects before, you know the frustrations, compatibility issues, complexity, and the endless search for the right sensor. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack, right? And even then, you're not guaranteed it'll work as expected. Plus, many sensor kits out there are designed for specific projects, which means they're not very versatile. You might end up with a bunch of sensors collecting dust because they're only good for one thing. But what if I told you there's a sensor kit that addresses all these issues and more? This kit is modular, versatile, and super easy to use, even for beginners. One of the standout features is its modular design. You can easily swap out sensors and add new ones as needed. So, whether you're into robotics or environmental monitoring, this kit has got you covered. It also comes with a user-friendly interface that makes programming and calibrating the sensors a breeze. No more getting bogged down in technical details. Just focus on building your project. And the best part? It's compatible with a range of microcontrollers including Arduino and Raspberry Pi. You can integrate these sensors into your existing projects or start new ones without any hassle. Alright, enough talking. Let's see this kit in action. I've built a smart home automation system that uses the sensors to detect and respond to changes in the environment. It's a super cool project that highlights the kit's versatility and ease of use. As you can see, this sensor kit is capable of some truly amazing things. It's a powerful tool that can elevate your DIY projects to the next level. I'm really excited to see what you all create with it. So, in conclusion, this sensor kit is a total game changer for hobbyists and makers. It addresses the common issues we face when working with sensors and opens up a world of possibilities for our projects. I highly recommend checking it out and seeing what it can do for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for more DIY inspiration, be sure to check out my previous video on related projects.